Welcome, my name is Keshav and today we'll see how to configure the Yealink W73P. The Yealink W73P consists of two main components. First one is a base station and the handset. Let's open the box and see what we have inside. So we have quick start guide, we have W70B base station, handset W73H, battery cover, wall mount bracket, charging stand, two power supply, Ethernet cable, chargeable battery, and we have a belt clip. That's all we have inside the box. Now we'll see how to connect base first and then handset. Now we have opened the box. We have W70B base here and we have W73H handset. So first we'll configure or install the base station. So this is the base station. I'll connect this to a POS switch. In case if you don't have POS switch, you can always use a power supply that comes along with this box. Otherwise, you can go ahead with POS switch. So I have cable from POS switch and I'll connect this to Yealink W73P base station. Basically it's a 70B. I'll take this POE connection and I'll connect. As soon as I'll connect this, here you can see you have three indicators here. The first one is power, then network, and the third one is handset. So now power is up, network is also up. Now we need to connect handset. Then let's talk about handset W73H. This is the handset you can see here. And first what we'll do, we'll connect rechargeable battery from Yealink. So once we connect, you'll able to see this screen. And then we'll connect the base for handset also. So we need power supply for that. We'll connect power adapter. And so this is basically a charging station for handset. So you can keep it for charging here and it will indicate it's charging. A belt clip can be used if it is required in your case. We can see now this handset is connected to this base station. Now what we have to check is what is the IP address for this base station. So for that you have to click OK, and then after clicking OK, the first status button, just click OK and you can see base, handset and line status. Just click on base. The moment you click on the base, you'll be able to see the IP address of the base station. That's all. The installation part is done here. Now we'll turn on our laptop, we'll go to our browser on the same network and we will type the IP address of this base station. And now we have IP address for W73P. We need to configure an extension on this handset or base station. What we can do is basically we need to create an extension on the PBX. For that we'll be using S20, and then after creating extension on S20 we'll configure the same extension on W73P. With me my teammate Mr. Sesu is there. He will help us to show how to configure this extension on W73B on the browser. Over to Mr. Sesu.
Hello and welcome. My name is Seshu and I'm part of DVCOM support and training team. In this video, I'm going to show it to you how to set up Yealink W73P with S.PABX. So the IP address as I mentioned to you, which is 192.168.5.150, and the default username is admin and default password is password. So once you log in successfully, just click on the settings and create the extension. So as I told you, the 1000 extension I have already registered with my phone, which is T33P. So right now I want to create one more extension for my W73H. So how I'm going to do that? Just click on add. You can see here it's showing 1001 extension. Then after that you can click save, say apply. So 1001 extension is created. After that you can just click on this ellipse, then go to auto provision. So once you go to the auto provision, you can see here there is a T33Z which is registered with 1000 extension and 70B which is not registered yet. And one more thing guys, always remember, whenever you are going to connect this 70B, it comes with the network port, and this network port you can directly connect it to your PoE switch. And make sure that in your network you try to enable the DHCP. Either you can enable from your PABX, or you can configure in your router, or you can configure separate DHCP server and connect into your network, so that 70B is going to pick one of the IP address from your DHCP server. So right now you can see here 5.201, which is by default my 70B as picked from your DHCP network. So just click on edit button. Then after that click on handset 1. That's it. Then after that you can say save. So by default you can see here 70B base station, it's going to support up to 10 handsets. You can see here handset 1, handset 2, handset 3 and all. So right now I have only one handset, which is 73H. So that's why I have selected 1001. So in case if you want to register multiple handsets, you can select it, and along with the extensions. That's the beauty of that. Then you can click save, say yes. Now it's going to reboot, and while it's going to reboot, you guys can see here the lights is going to flash and it's going to come back. So I'm going to pause this video for a few minutes. So you can see the status, the network port, it just went off and it's going to come back now. Then after that I'm going to show it to you how I'm going to register my handset. You guys can see here it start blinking now. So once it's blinking, then you guys can see here, there you go. Now it's got stable. Now I'm going to take this handset and I'm going to register, and you can see here by default it's showing unregistered. So you can see in the down there is a ridge, it means register. So click on the ridge, then it's going to searching. While it's searching, hold this button guys, then it's going to identify. See, the light is indicating there, it's trying to find it out. You guys can see here. So is easy pairing. See, it's automatically handset subscribed. That's it. That's the beauty of that guys. Okay, now it has successfully registered. So in case if you want to check that, it's very simple guys. Just go here and click on this ellipse button. Then after that you guys can see here there is a PBX monitor, and you can see here 1001 is registered successfully. So now if I want to make a call between 1000 to 1001, let's go and dial this. So right now I just want to dial 1000, which is my T33. See guys, the call is going. See here the phone is ringing there. So I'm going to attend this. Hello, mic testing 1 2 3. You are able to hear that sound, right? I'm going to disconnect this call, and you can see on my screen also you can able to see that there is a call between 1000 to 1001. So now what I'm going to do now, from 1000 I'm trying to make a call to 1001. You guys can see there I'm getting a call from 1000. Attend this call. Hello, mic testing 1 2 3. So it's very simple and straightforward guys. So I'm going to disconnect this. In case if you have another handset, what you can do, you can just bring it here and click on this register button. Then after that hold this for a few seconds, then automatically you can see here this button start flashing. Then after that it's automatically get paired, and the 1002 extension will become to handset 2. It's very simple and straightforward guys. You nothing to worry about it. So this is how I'm going to register my 73H handset with my base station. That's the beauty of that. And one more thing I just want to show it to you guys. Let's go and keep it here on the charging. And you can see here, let's close this. The IP address is for my base station 192.168. which is 5.201, and the default username is admin and the default password is admin. Say login, then click on OK. And in case if you want to do manually, you can just come here and click on this start register headset. Then after that you can just bring your handset and you can able to register it as well. And you can see here the accounts it's showing what are the accounts as registered so far. So 1001 is registered, you can able to see here. And in case if you want to do any settings for your network, you just come here and do the changes. And also here you can see if you want to change, if you want to upgrade the firmware, you just come here and get the firmware from Yealink website and you directly update it from here. Or else if you want to reset or if you want to reboot, you can directly do it from here. So that's the beauty of this one, guys. It's very simple and straightforward. Just log out from here and just I want to sign out from here. Say yes. And this is what exactly what I'm trying to demonstrate here.
And that's it. You have configured your Yealink W73P DECT IP phone successfully. Thanks for watching.